Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about all about shapes, like how to create rectangles, ellipses, polygons, and how to create rounded corners, as well as how to edit them. So let's begin. Okay, so for the shapes we can go to this top bar menu and click on this square icon. And the first one is we got rectangle. After that, line, arrows, ellipse, polygon, star, and as well as we can put images and a video. Okay, so let's go and start with rectangle. And I was thinking I will use this space for product shots. Like when we go to Amazon, there is a huge banner, and on that it slides and it shows the product, like what kind of offer is going on. So I want to make that a thing, or I will make this place for like a category. Okay, so I will move this product shot over here and I will keep it like this. And okay, this is for the slides. And now I will choose ellipse and the shortcut is O. You can also use O. And for precise shapes like perfect circle, I will hold shift and drag it like this. And I will make 4 of this. If you want to make duplicate like this, you can hold Alt. If you hold Alt on any element, you can see there is a dual mouse cursors, and it means you can duplicate your item. Just click your mouse and drag it like this. You will get a duplicate. Okay, there are lots of methods. You can use Ctrl C, Ctrl V, but if I use Ctrl C and Ctrl V, the object is on the top of each other. You can see it was on the top, so that's a bit confusing. So I use Alt option. So I'm gonna align them like this, and again select all of them and hold Alt and drag it like this, because I want this section to be category, and I will keep 2 of this like this. So this is how you can make shapes. Now let's say I want to make a search bar icon over here. So what I can do is that I can press R and I will create a small rectangle like this and place it in this center. And I also want a hamburger menu. So you might see in in lots of cases there is a 3-line menu that's called hamburger menu. So we can create by using lines. So let me zoom and drag it like this, hold shift. I will draw a one first and I will add some stroke as well. I know I'm going too fast, but it is easy. Currently stroke is 1. I will go up to 3, so it will become more heavy, and hold Alt, drag it like this, and I want another 1. Okay, so we got our hamburger menu, and over here we can add ellipse or search icon, or maybe I will keep as it is for now, because I don't want to move fast too much. So the search bar menu is always with the rounded corners. So we want rounded corners, and we currently have really sharp corners. If I put my finger on it, I will get paper cut. I know it was very bad joke. So let's go and create some round corners. So click on your element, and you can see there is a 4 dots on the each side. You can just click on it and drag it inside, and it becomes rounded like this. So as you can see, we got rounded corners. You can do this manually, like if I make it 0, and if you click the element and if you go into design panel, and there is a option of corner radius, you can just click on it and you can add a values like 15, so it will make your corners more rounded. And you can also set rounded corners for each side, like on the top left corner, currently is 15. If I press if I add value 0, as you can see, it looks kind of text message. So you can also do that like this. Okay, you can also hold Alt and you can drag it like this for individual corners, and you can make rounded corners like this. For now I will keep 12. Okay, so this one is our home wireframe for our home page. I know there are lots of things I can do over here, like I can add a small navigation bar. So let me go to this one, or I can just use shortcut R, and I will drag it like this, and I can add 4 or 5 elements like home, category, order, cart, profile, like those things. And what we can do, okay, we can add a small rectangle over here. This will represent, this one is for cart. I know it does not look that great, but this is the wireframe, so it does not have to look that great. Okay, so for now it is what it is. Okay, so we already saw how text works in Figma. We just have to press T or even use this button. So let's add some text, like this one is for like banner. not Bruce Banner. Okay, so this one is for banners and this one is for category, as well as I can draw 4 squares and that will represent our navigation menus. Okay, so I will go for 5. Okay, like this. Okay, so I forgot to show you one thing, like it is about layers. We will learn about layers in future videos, but this is the basic thing, so I have to show this. So let's imagine you are drawing a shape, and let me move this over here. And if I choose rectangle and if I draw a rectangle like this, and as you can see our text got disappeared. I know you must be panicked right now where it went and all that, but it is really easy to bring it back, because in lay panels you can see this is the rectangle 15 and where is our text, this is the banner. So you can do it from here, but it is kind of let's say for advanced people. So in this case what you can do is that you just select the first item and click on the send to back, and as you can see we got our text back. You can use shortcut square bracket that is next to P button, and if I press, and we got our text back. So this is how you can adjust the layers. Okay, so there is another option. You can do the same thing, go to object and you can see bring to front, bring to forward, send backward or send back. So there are lots of options you can do that. You can also adjust it from here. If you use a Figma a lot, then in that case you can adjust it from here, but this kind of confusing, so I will say use shortcut, or you can right click on it and you can adjust it like a set to send to back or a being front. So this will be easy for you. And I forgot in previous video to add the brand name. I was thinking a brand name called click card. Okay, so I will adjust this into center and a little bit downwards, and I will use ellipse for I want to add a brand logo over here. I'm holding shift for perfect circle, and in this circle we will add a brand logo. Okay, so you might be wondering what is this small all you might be wondering what is this small dot. Okay, let me show you one magic. If I drag this upwards, we got our Pac-Man, and it can eat all the dots from our game. I know it is weird. Okay, so we can also do this. We can create hollow circles like this. We can also create pie chart and all that. It is for complex design. Most of the time we don't use it, so don't worry about it. So this is how this dot works. So on end we got hollow circle, so you can adjust it like this. Okay, so for now I will leave as it is. So that's how you can use shapes to create this wireframe, like this banner, this category section, as well as this search icon, and the line for the hamburger menu, and this square for the our navigation menu section. And we also learn about how to create a hollow circle or Pac-Man. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.